Hello everyone. The last video I made was Bass I Love You on this Philips. Okay, I'm gonna do another one today, and I'm gonna do with this Bose SoundLink Mini, this Bose Sound Dock, and this Vocal Pro right here. It's Hero RV. This is gonna be on full. These two are gonna be on full volume, but not full volume on the Vocal Pro. So, in the comments, please tell me which one sounds worse, which one sounds the best, and which one sounds the worst and the best. Worst, like in the middle. So, yeah. Okay. So, my guess is this will sound the best. This is medium. This is all the way bad. So let's get started. I'm gonna play a song. Okay, it's called. Here you guys. This is full bass. This is only the Bose SoundLink Mini, not this. So since you heard the Bose SoundLink Mini, we're gonna go on to the Bose Sound Dock. Let's start. The Bose Sound Dock, we're gonna go on to the this Vocal Pro. Okay, that's all for now. So subscribe my channel. Leave in the comments which one speaker did you think was the best, the worst, and the medium. Thank you.